Now the 16th question, in the 16th question they say a sum of rupees 500 is in the form of denominations of rupees 5 and rupees 10. If the total number of notes is 90, find the number of notes of each type. Now what they have given you in the this sum is that they have given you that there is total money is rupees 500, and this 500 total rupees which I have, they are in the form of 5 rupees notes and 10 rupees notes. तो मेरे पास 5 रुपए के नोट्स हैं, 10 रुपए के नोट्स हैं, और सारे मिला के कितने पैसे बनते हैं 500 रुपीज़. ओके, एंड दे आर सेइंग दैट द टोटल नोट्स आर 90. तो इस टोटल नोट्स जो 90 हैं, इनमें से कुछ 5 रुपीज़ के नोट्स हैं और कुछ 10 रुपीज़ के नोट्स हैं, और सारे नोट्स मिलके कितने पैसे बनते हैं, कितने रुपीज़ बनते हैं 500 रुपीज़. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग यू हाउ मेनी 5 rupee notes are there and how many 10 rupee notes are there. So I don't know how many notes are there of 5 rupees and how many notes are there of 10 rupees. So I will assume them. I'll say let 5 rupees notes be X. ठीक है, अगर मैं 5 रुपीज़ नोट्स को x लेती हूँ तो 10 रुपी नोट्स कितने होंगे, क्योंकि सारे नोट्स मिलके 90 नोट्स हैं. अगर इसमें से एक 5 रुपीज़ के नोट x है तो जितने बच गए वो कितने बच गए, 90 माइनस x बच जाएंगे. सो 90 माइनस x विल बी द number of notes of 10 rupees. Okay, so I have taken the number of notes as x and the second will be 90 minus x. Suppose I have 90 notes, like they are saying, suppose 5 rupee notes मेरे पास 10 है, तो 10 रुपी नोट्स, ओके 5 रुपीज़ नोट्स मेरे पास 20 हैं, तो 10 रुपीज़ नोट्स कितने होंगे, 90 माइनस 20 70. तो मेरे पास 10 रुपये के 70 नोट होंगे, 70 नोट्स होंगे, एंड 5 रुपीज़ के मेरे पास 20 नोट्स हैं. सो द सेम वे अगर मेरे पास 5 रुपीज़ के नोट्स x हैं तो मेरे पास 10 रुपीज़ के नोट्स कितने होंगे, 90 माइनस x जो बच जाएंगे. सो आई हैव x number of 5 rupee notes and 90 minus x number of 10 rupee notes. Now if I will find out the amount of these 5 rupee notes. Amount of 5 rupee notes. Now if I say I have 5 rupees के मेरे पास 2 notes हैं. If I have 5 rupees के 2 notes हैं मेरे पास, तो इसका मतलब मेरे पास कितना अमाउंट हुआ, हाउ मच अमाउंट डू आई हैव, आई हैव 10 rupees, राइट, 5 2s are 10. और इफ़ आई हैव 3 notes of 5 rupees, so how much amount it will make, it will make 15 rupees, right? And if I have 4 notes of 5 rupees, so how much amount I will have, I will have 20 rupees. Now if I have x notes, so how much amount they will make, that will make 5x rupees, right? So 5 amount of 5 rupee x notes is 5x. I have multiplied 5 and x. Now the same way if I have 2 notes of 10 rupees, it means how many how much amount I will have, I will have 20 rupees, right? If I have 3 notes of 10 rupees, 10 10 10, so how much I will have, I will have 30 rupees. Now if I have 10 rupees के 90 minus x notes, so how much money, it means how much amount do I have in form of 10 rupees, I have 10 90 minus x. So amount of 10 rupees notes will be 10 multiplied by 90 minus x. So mind this, these were the notes and this is the amount that they will make. Okay, now they are saying that the total rupees I have is 500 rupees, means the amount which is of 5 rupee notes and this 5 rupee notes plus this 10 रुपीज़ नोट्स दोनों मिलके कितना अमाउंट बन जाता है 500 rupees. Now this becomes my equation. Now I will solve it and get the answer. So 10 and 90 is 900 minus 10x is equal to 500. Now 5x and minus 10x both are like terms. So this becomes minus 5x is equal to 500 minus 900. I will shift this to this side. So what I'll get, minus 5x is on left hand side and minus 400 on the right hand side. So minus and minus gets cancelled. So x will be 400 upon 5 means 80. So x comes to be 80. Now what was x? X was my 5 rupee notes. So it means how much 5 rupee notes I have? I have 85 rupees notes. And what about the 10 rupee notes? It was 90 minus x means 90 minus 80 means 10. So 10 notes I have of 10 rupees notes. 10 rupee notes I have 10 and 5 rupees notes I have 80. Now the question number 17. Sumitra has rupees 34 in 50 paise and 25 paise coins. If the number of 25 paise coins is twice the number of 50 paise coins, how many coins of each kind does she have? Now in the 16th question they have notes, 5 rupee notes and 10 rupees notes. Now they are talking about coins. Like in a bag they are saying there are 50 paisa coins and 25 paisa coins. So 50 paisa, I don't know how many coins are there, they have not told. So there are 50 paisa ka coins and 25 paisa ka coins, and all the coins when you add them up they make 34 rupees. So all these coins, I don't know the number of coins, so all the coins when you will add they will give you how much? 34 rupees. Now they are asking you, and they are saying if the number of 25 paisa coins is twice the number of 50 paisa coin. Since I don't know the number of coins, so I will say let the number of 50 paisa coins be x and 25 paisa coins they are saying is twice the number. So 25 paisa coins जो हैं वो इससे double है 2x. It's twice the 50 paisa coins. Okay, so I will say let 50 paisa coins be x and let number of 50 paisa coins be x and number of 25 paisa coins be 2x. Okay, now if you remember in the previous question, 16th question, these are the number of coins that I have taken. Now how much amount this will make? So this the value of 50 paisa coins will be what? It will be 50 multiplied by x or 50x. Now I am taking out the value as I told you in the previous question. If you have 50 paisa ke 2 coins, it means how much paisa you have? 50 2s are 100 paisa you have. If you have 50 paisa ke, if you have 5 coins, it means how much paisa you will have? How much? So if you will multiply, it means it becomes 250 paisa, like this. So first of all these are the number of coins. Now I will take out how much value they make, how much amount they make. Like 50 paisa x coins are there, so means its value will be 50x. And value of 25 paisa coins, what is that? It means 25 multiplied by 2x. So it will be 25 2s are 50x paisa. These are पैसा है तो पैसा ही आएगा. So now they are saying that both of them together they will make 50x this and plus this 50x, both of them they make 34 rupees. Now 34 rupees. Now this amount is in paisa. As I told you, this amount is in paisa and this is in rupees. So I will convert this 34 rupees into paisa. I know that 1 rupee has how much paisa? 100 paisa. So it means 34 rupee will have how much paisa? It will have 3400 paisa. So this also I'll convert into paisa. So this will be 3400 paisa. So the value of 50 paisa coins and the value of 25 paisa coins both are equal. The both will give me 3400 paisa. Now this becomes the equation. You solve is 50 plus 50 is 100x is equal to 3400 and x will be 3400 divided by 100 and you get 34. Now what I had taken x, it was 50 paisa coins. So 50 paisa coins are 50 paisa coins. How many 50 paisa coins are there? There are 34 50 paisa coins. And how much 25 paisa coins are there? It was 2x, means 2 multiplied by 34, or you can say 68. So how many 50 paisa coins I have? I have 34 50 paisa coins. And how many 25 paisa coins I have? I have 68 25 paisa coins. Class, in the now come to the 18th question. They are saying Raju is, can you see? Yes, Raju is 19 years younger. Younger means chota hai. Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin. After 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 2:3. So find their present ages. Now, do you remember we have done ratio in the previous class? Ratio. What is ratio? Ratio means comparison by division. So what is ratio? Ratio is comparison. So we have learned in the previous class, ratio is comparison by division. So we will apply this over here. Now they are saying Raju is 19 years younger than his son. Find their present ages. I have to find their present ages. आज उनकी age कितनी है? So I will say let the cousin's age be, present age be x, and they are saying that Raju is 19 years younger than him. So it means that his age will be x minus 19. उससे छोटा है, 19 साल छोटा है. Now they are saying after 5 years. Now if they are talking about after 5 years, now if the cousin's present age is x, after 5 years he will be x plus 5. And this person Raju, today his age is x minus 19, and after 5 years means I will add again 5 to his age also, because I am talking about 5 years after. तो इसमें भी plus 5 कर दूंगी और इसमें भी plus 5, because I am talking about 5 years ago. 5 years after. So after 5 years, cousin's age will be x plus 5 and Raju's age will be, I will solve this, minus 19 and plus 5 becomes minus 14. So this will be Raju's age after 5 years, and this will be cousin's age after 5 years. So they are talking about after 5 years. So I will take the ages, these ages. Now they are saying after 5 years their ages will be in the ratio 2:3. So I will put these ages in ratio. Like after 5 years the cousin's age is x plus 5 is to ratio x minus 14. Now in this we have to be if you remember in the last chapter ratio, we have learned that the order in which we write the ratios is very important. The order of ratios is very important. Now if in this question you will see the name of Raju comes first and the cousin's name is afterwards. Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin, and the ratio written is 2:3. It means 2 ratio belongs to Raju and 3 ratio belongs to the cousin. So when I will turn this also into ratio, I will write Raju's age first. Okay, so I will write Raju's age first. After 5 years, Raju's age ka ratio with cousin's age, okay, that will be equal to 2:3, they are saying. So this becomes my equation. I have to write them in ratio, in the form of a ratio. Raju's age after 5 years, Raju's age is to cousin's age will be 2:3. Now this is a sum of ratio, and sum of ratios I told you, that is comparison by division, means x minus 14 divided by x plus 5, and here you can write 2:3 or 2/3. Now both the sides you have fractions, so how you will solve? You will cross multiply them. So this has to be multiplied with 3 and this has to be multiplied by 2. So when you solve, you will get this will become 3x minus 14 3s is 42, other side 2x plus 10. So 3x minus 2x, I'll bring this to this side, and 10 plus 42. So this becomes x is equal to 52. So x is 52. Now what I had taken as x I had taken as cousin's age. So it means the cousin's age is what? 52 years. So cousin's age was x, so cousin's age is 52 years. And what is Raju's age? Raju's age is 52. He was 19 years younger, so 52 minus this 52 minus 19, so that is 33 years. So this is how we solve the 18th sum. Now class, 19th sum, a father is 30 years older than his son. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. So they are asking you to find the present ages. So and they are talking about father and son. So I will say let son's present age be x. Present age be x. So they are saying that the father is how much? So father is 30 years older than his son. If son's age is x, his father will be x plus 30. Okay, now they are talking about 12 years. So in 12 years, so in 12 years, what will be son's age? What I will do? I will add 12 to this. And what will be father's age? It will be x plus 30 is his present age. So after 12 years plus 12, so that will become x plus 42. So that will be his father's age after 12 years, and this will be son's age after 12 years. Now according to question, they are saying after 12 years, in 12 years. So I will take these ages because they are talking about in 12 years. In 12 years, the man will be means the man's age is x plus 42 after 12 years. In 12 years, the man age is this. The man will be 3 times, means multiply by 3 times as old as his son, 3 times the age of his son. So this becomes my equation. So in 12 years, so they are talking about after 12 years, so I will take these ages. Man's age is x plus 42. He will be 3 times his son's age. His son's age after 12 is x plus 12. So 3 times of this. So the father will be 3 times the age of his son. So this becomes the equation. You solve it. So this becomes 3x plus 12 threes are 36. So x you bring this side and 42 you take that side. So minus 2x is equal to minus 6. This gets cancelled. X is equal to 6 upon 2, 3. So the x comes 3. So what is the son's present age? Son is how many years old? He's 3 years old. And what is father's present age? Father is x plus 30, or you can see, or you can say 3 plus 30, or 33 years. Now in the 20th question they are saying the ages of Sonal and Manoj are in the ratio 7:5. 10 years hence the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. Find their present ages. Now again they have given you a sum of ratio. They are saying there are two boys, Sonal and Manoj. So Sonal's name is first and Manoj is second. So the ratio also will be 7 belongs to Sonal and 5 belongs to Manoj. So 7:5. So they are saying their present ages are in the ratio 7:5. So they have given you the present ages in the ratio. So I will take them in the terms of x. I will say let Sonal's present age be 7x and Manoj's present age be 5x. 7x and 5x. Now they are saying 10 years hence, after 10 years. Now they are talking about after 10 years. If Sonal's present age is 7x, what will be his age after 10 years? It will be 7x plus 10. I will add 10 years to this present age. And what will be Manoj's age after 10 years? It will be 5x is his present age. 10 साल बाद. So I will add 10 years to it. So these will be their ages after 10 years. Now they are saying that after 10 years the ratio of their ages will be 9:7. So I will put them in the ratio form. So what is the age of Sonal after 10 years? 7x plus 10 is to 5x plus 10. Sonal's age after 10 year and Manoj's age after 10 year, it will be equal to, they are saying that will be 9:7. 9:7. So this is in the ratio form. And what is ratio? What is ratio? It's comparison by division. So I'll put them in the division form. 7x plus 10 ratio 5x plus 10. So that will come down is equal to 9:7. I can write as 9/7. Now how to solve this? Many questions you have solved like this. How to solve? By cross multiply, right? So 7 you will multiply by 7x plus 10 and 9 you will multiply by 5x plus 10. Okay, now 7 sevens are 49 x plus 7 tens are 70, 9 fives are 45x plus 9 tens are 90. Now you bring x on one side, minus 45x, and without x on the other side. So you will get 44x is equal to 20 and x will be 20 upon 4, 4 5s are 20. So x का ratio आया 5, x का value आया 5. Now I have to take out the ages. So what the Sonal's age I had taken? I had taken as 7x, means 7 multiplied by 5, 35 years. So his age is 35 years. And what I had taken as Manoj's age, present age I had taken as 5x. So it means 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25 years. So these are the present ages of Sonal and Manoj. Now the question number 21. In question number 21 they say 5 years ago a man was 7 times as old as his son. So they are talking about 5 years ago, pehle, and 5 years hence, or they are now talking about after 5 years. So the father will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. So I'll make you understand this question by drawing 3 columns. First of present age. Okay, now they have talked about 5 years ago and 5 years hence. Hence means after. So let me make 3 columns. One is of present age and what their age was 5 years ago, and what their age is 5 years after, because they have talked about these 3 words: ago, present, and hence. Hence means after. Now look at this. They say 5 years ago a man was 7 times as old as his son. So I will say let son's age, because they are talking about 5 years ago. So let son's age be X. 5 years ago I'm talking about. Let son's age 5 years ago be X, and his father's age is, according to the statement, they are saying he is 7 times. So 7x. 7 times means multiply 7x. Okay. Now we will come to the present ages. So this ages were 5 years ago. अगर 5 साल पहले उसकी एज एक्स थी, तो आज उसकी एज कितनी है? सन की एज x+5, राइट, बिकॉज 5 साल पहले की बताई है, 5 साल बाद उसकी है x+5, और फादर की एज होगी x 7x+5. तो दिस इज़ देयर प्रेजेंट एज. अब नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 5 years हेंस, और उसके बाद 5 साल. तो आज उनकी अगर एज x+5 है, तो आफ्टर 5 years देयर सन्स एज विल बी x+5+5. I have to add one time more +5, because I am talking about now 5 years after. And what will be the father's age? It will be 7x plus 5 and again plus 5. So father's age will be 7x plus 10 and son's age will be x plus 10 after 5 years. Did you understand this? Again, because they are talking about 5 years ago, they are saying 5 years ago, आज से 5 साल पहले, the father was 7 times as old as his son. So I am saying कि let son's age 5 years ago be x and his father was 7x. एंड देन आई सेड आज की एज, अगर 5 साल पहले वो x था, तो आज वो कितना है? x+5, बिकॉज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट 5 years आफ्टर नाउ. x+5 एंड हिज फादर्स एज विल बी x 7x+5. नाउ दे हैव वन मोर, दे आर सेइंग 5 साल उसके भी बाद. सो आज एज सन की है x+5. So after 5 years his age will be, I will add +5 more, so it will become x+10. And father's age, which is today, is 7x+5. After 5 years I will add 5 more to it, so it will become 7x+10. So this is father's age after 5 years, and this is son's age after 5 years. Now in the statement they are talking about this ages, so I will take these ages. They are saying 5 years hence, 5 साल बाद, the 5 साल की बाद की ages मेरी ये हैं. the father will be the father की age है 7x+10. the father will be 3 times as old as his son. Will be 3 times the age of his son after 5 years. So this becomes my equation. So you solve this and you will get plus 3 times 30, 7x minus 3x, and this will be 30 minus 10. So 4x is equal to 20. So x will be 20 upon 4. 4 5s are 20. So x का वैल्यू आ गया मेरा 5. नाउ दे आर आस्किंग यू अबाउट देयर प्रेजेंट एजेस. तो प्रेजेंट एजेस कहाँ हैं? प्रेजेंट एजेस ये रही. तो इट मीन्स सन्स प्रेजेंट एजेस x+5. x+5 means 5 is the value of x. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 years. Okay, and what is the father's present age? It is 7x plus 5 means 7x means 7 multiplied by 5 and plus 5. 7 5s are 35 plus 5 is equal to 40. So it means father's present age is 40 years and his son's present age is 10 years. So hope you can see this last. If you cannot, I will write father's age over here. So father's present age is, what is father's present age? 7x plus 5 means 7 into 5 plus 5. So 7 5s are 35 plus 5 means 40 years. So the father's present age is 40 years. Question number 22. In question number 22, they are saying after 12 years, Manoj will be 3 times as old as he was 4 years ago. Find his present age. So there is one person only this time, that is Manoj. We have to find his age. Now again, they are talking about present age and his age after 12 years and his age 4 years ago. Now I will say let present age be x. Now if his present age is x, after 12 years what his age will be? It will be x plus 12, right? And 4 years ago, 4 साल पहले कितनी एज थी? अगर उसकी आज एज x है तो पहले 4 साल पहले उसकी एज थी x minus 4. So these are present age is x. 4 years ago he was x minus 4. इसमें से 4 साल कम, x minus 4, and after 12 years means x plus 12 will be his age after 12 years. Now let us form the equation. They are saying after 12 years. So after 12 years his age is x plus 12. So after 12 years Manoj will be 3 times. Whenever you get this word times, it means you have to multiply. 3 times as old as he was 4 years ago. What was his age 4 years ago? It was x minus 4. So this becomes my equation. Again they are saying after 12 years. So after 12 years Manoj's age is x plus 12. He will be 3 times, means multiply by 3. What I have to multiply by 3? His old, as old as he was 4 years ago. जो उसकी एज 4 साल पहले थी उसका 3 times. So this becomes the equation. You solve it. 3x minus 4 3s are 12. So x minus 3x, and this is minus 12, and this also will become minus 12. So minus 2x is equal to minus 24. Minus minus gets cancelled. 24 divided by 2 is 12. So x आ गया 12, and means what is Manoj's present age? He is 12 years old. Okay, in the question number 23, they are saying in an examination, a student requires 40% of the total marks to pass. एक एग्ज़ाम में अगर पास होना है तो you have to score 40, at least 40% marks. Okay, if Rupa gets 185 marks and fails by 15 marks, find the total marks. So we have to find out कि total marks का test कितने का था. What was the total marks of the examination? So I'll say let the total marks be x, and they are saying that the passing percentage is 40% of this x. Now whenever you get this percentage, it means 40 upon 100. Percentage I can write as upon 100. 40% of x, of means multiply x. So this is passing percentage. This is passing is given in percentage. Now they say that there is one girl, Rupa, she scores 185 marks. उसके 185 marks आए, but she has failed, but fails by how many marks? 15 marks. Okay, so it means अगर she has scored 185 marks and she has failed by 15 marks, अगर उसके 15 marks आ जाते, means अगर उसके 200 marks होते तो she would have passed. it means this 200 was equal to 40%, क्योंकि 40% are passing marks, but she didn't pass because she failed by 15 marks. So अगर she has scored 185, अगर उसके 15 marks और आ जाते हैं according to the question, so she would have scored 200 marks and she would have passed. So it means जो ये 40% है percentage of marks, passing percentage, that is equal to 200 marks. So this only becomes my equation, that 40% of the total marks, they are equal to 200. So I will find out how much the total marks is x is. So in order to find x, what I will do, I'll shift this to the other side and it will become a reciprocal. So 4 5s are so x is 500. So x was what? The total marks. So it means the total marks of the test was 500 and out of that 200 were passing marks. Now this you can solve by the unitary method also. How? So I told you that if she had scored 15 marks more, means 200 marks जो हैं अगर आ जाते उसके, तो she would have passed. So I can say that 40% is equal to 200 marks, right? जो 40% है they are equal to 200. So total percentage कितनी होती है? 100%. So 40% is equal to 200. 1% will be equal to 200 upon 40 and 100% will be equal to 200 upon 40 into 100. So you get this and you will get the answer.